Hmm. Hello friends, good morning, and I want to calling just like a science study center. I want to give you the advanced physiography of the outline in advance, and I am giving you the advancement of the physiography. You would like to take the interest and get the higher speed near about 120 and above word per minute. Let's start. Then termination of proceeding. Termination of proceeding in favor of the plaintiff. In favor of the plaintiff. This is termination of the proceedings in favor of the plaintiff. It is also essential that it is also essential that the prosecution terminated in favor of the plaintiff. Next is, if the plaintiff has been convicted by a court, he cannot bring an action. For malicious prosecution. Even though he can prove his innocence. And also that the accusation was malicious. Accusation was malicious. And unfounded. This is unfounded. Stop. Next is, if the prosecution results in conviction at the lower level, but the conviction is reserved in appeal. Reversed in appeal. Reversed ये बनाना है दोस्तों. Reversed in appeal. in appeal. This one is appeal. Full stop. If you do like that, you can take it. And thank you दोस्तों. This is, the contemner has no doubt tendered an unconditional apology by withdrawing from record all his record all his applications, petitions, counter affidavit, prayers, and submission made at the bar, at the bar, and to the court, court earlier. Stop. The next is we have reproduced that apology verbatim earlier. The next point is in the apology he has pleaded that he has deeply and regretfully realized that the situation malicious falsehood consists in making malicious statements concerning the plaintiff to some third person adversely affecting the pecuniary interest of the plaintiff. This wrong is akin to defamation because in this case as in defamation a statement made to a third person causes damages to the plaintiff plaintiff. Next, in defamation, in defamation, the plaintiff's interest, the plaintiff's interest, the plaintiff interest affected is the reputation, is the reputation in malicious falsehood, in malicious falsehood. Thank you दोस्तों, thank you very much, bye.